Hey guys, Jason Hard Money Bankers with your Private Money Minute. How do you tell your story to buyers or sellers or maybe even lenders? It's obviously super important to put yourself out there and show your clients that you're an expert and a good resource tool for them. So there's a lot of social channels, including your website, where you can have your own content channel where people can follow you and absorb your information. So you have Facebook, which is more like a talk show, 2 to 3 minute segments. Instagram, reality show, behind the scenes fun stuff, 1 minute segments there. You have YouTube, which is more long form copy, call that like the sitcom, where you can put long form videos. And then you have LinkedIn, which is more of a professional business to business, frequently asked questions, things like that. And then you have your website, which can absorb kind of all this stuff. The goal is to get likes, shares, engagements, get people to your website so you can get potentially an email address, and then you can reach out to them and distribute emails to them, direct messages to them, all ways to stay in front of your clients as much as possible.